Welcome to Tech Talk Reviews. Upgrade your toolkit with precision, speed, and comfort for every repair or assembly task at home or on the job today. Best ratchet screwdriver options deliver smooth torque, quick bit changes, and dependable durability for professionals and DIY users alike. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Klein Impact Ratchet Screwdriver. The Klein Impact Ratchet Screwdriver is a highly versatile and rugged tool designed for professionals who demand durability, adaptability, and efficiency in demanding environments. One of its standout features is the enhanced compatibility offered by the integrated multi-purpose adapter, which seamlessly connects sockets with the Klein K-Nect system. This allows users to switch between driving tasks quickly without juggling multiple tools, saving both time and effort on the job. The inclusion of impact flip sockets is another major advantage, as it combines 16 SAE and metric sizes into just 8 color-coded sockets, making size identification fast and intuitive. This compact yet comprehensive design reduces clutter while still covering a wide range of fastening needs. The toolset includes a cushion grip ratcheting screwdriver handle that feels comfortable even during extended use, along with a 1/4-inch square drive socket wrench that adds further flexibility. Whether you're tightening fasteners in confined spaces or tackling heavier mechanical work, this screwdriver adapts well.
Number 2. WERA Kompakt Ratchet Screwdriver. The WERA Kompakt Ratchet Screwdriver is a premium tool that reflects German engineering at its finest, offering precision, comfort, and reliability in a compact form. One of its most recognizable features is the craftform handle, which is ergonomically designed with an anti-roll shape to prevent the tool from slipping off work surfaces. The multi-component handle construction ensures excellent grip and comfort, reducing hand fatigue during prolonged use. WERA's wrap adapter technology adds another layer of convenience, allowing for fast, secure bit changes without sacrificing stability during operation. The built-in ratchet function is smooth and efficient, featuring fine-pitched teeth that provide a very small return angle. This makes the screwdriver especially useful in tight or restricted spaces where traditional screwdrivers struggle. The switchover ring allows users to easily change between right rotation, left rotation, and a fixed position, giving precise control over fastening tasks. This flexibility makes the WERA Kompakt suitable for a wide range of applications, from electronics and cabinetry to general mechanical work. Manufactured in Germany, the overall build quality is exceptional, with durable materials that inspire confidence in long-term performance.
Number 3. PB Swiss Ratchet Screwdriver. The PB Swiss Ratchet Screwdriver is a standout example of Swiss craftsmanship, combining precision engineering, ergonomic comfort, and exceptional durability. Designed for professionals who demand reliability, this tool features 3 distinct ratchet functions: left turning, right turning, and a locked position. This versatility allows users to adapt instantly to different fastening requirements, while the one-handed switching mechanism makes adjustments quick and efficient during active work. The smooth ratcheting action ensures consistent torque application, reducing strain and improving accuracy. One of the most impressive aspects of this screwdriver is its handle, made from high-quality santoprene. This material is soft to the touch, skin-friendly, and provides a warm, comfortable grip even in colder environments. The ergonomic design minimizes hand fatigue, making it suitable for extended use in professional settings, such as workshops, assembly lines, or service calls. The balance and feel of the tool reflect PB Swiss Tool's attention to detail and commitment to user comfort.
Number 4. Hazet 810R Ratchet Screwdriver. The Hazet 810R Ratchet Screwdriver is a versatile and thoughtfully engineered tool built to meet the demands of professional users. Its ratchet function is easy to adjust, allowing seamless switching between clockwise rotation, anti-clockwise rotation, and a central locked position. This flexibility enables the tool to function both as a ratchet screwdriver and a conventional screwdriver, making it suitable for a wide variety of fastening tasks. The smooth ratcheting mechanism ensures controlled operation, even in confined spaces. Ergonomics play a major role in the design of the Hazet 810R. The non-slip handle fits comfortably in the hand and offers excellent grip, allowing users to apply sufficient torque without discomfort. The well-balanced weight distribution contributes to precise control, and one-handed operation is effortless, which is particularly beneficial when working in awkward positions. A key practical feature is the integrated bit magazine inside the handle, capable of storing up to 12 bits. With a simple button press, the magazine opens, providing quick access to bits while keeping them securely stored.
Number 5. Klein 80177 Ratchet Screwdriver. The Klein 80177 Ratchet Screwdriver is a feature-rich and highly versatile precision set designed for users who need maximum flexibility in a compact package. This system includes a low-profile micro ratchet, an adjustable screwdriver handle, and an impressive assortment of 60 bits, covering precision bits, standard bits, and nut drivers. This wide selection makes the set suitable for everything from delicate electronics work to general mechanical and maintenance tasks. One of the highlights of the Klein 80177 is the low-profile micro ratchet, which excels in hard-to-reach areas where space is limited. The adjustable magnetic bit holders, available in both 3.5mm precision and standard 1/4 inch sizes, allow users to customize the tool for specific applications. The magnetic hold ensures secure bit retention, improving efficiency and reducing frustration during use. Choose a tool that saves time, improves control, and stands up to everyday use. A reliable ratchet screwdriver makes projects easier, faster, and more precise. Invest in quality now and enjoy smoother repairs, smarter work, and long-term performance you can count on.